gathered here with my family, my neighbors and my friends, standing firm together against depression, holding hands. It doesn't matter where you're from, or if you're young or woman or man, here for the same reason we want to take back our land. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're together, calling for heart. Come here, calling for. Know you can hear our call. Oh, calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. Know you can hear us call. Oh, know you're here with us. No more being prisoners in our homes. No more being afraid to talk. Our dream is just to be free, just to be free. Now we've taken our first step towards a life of complete freedom. We can see as we get closer, closer, we're almost there. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, hungry for freedom. Come on everyone, freedom. Know you can hear our song. Calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. Know you won't let us fall. 'Cause I can see the pride in the air, and it makes me